acoustic insulation of HVAC systems, drainage pipes and columns, it is essential for good acoustic comfort. Let's see how to accomplish this. First, we have to expose the pipeline concerned so that it is accessible also from behind. Once the diameter measurements have been taken, we will cut the sound insulating material on the floor using a cutter or an angle grinder. Let's wrap the pipe, overlapping in the final stage the closure. Let's close the sound insulating material applying the aluminum tape. We will then proceed to close with an aluminum tape and electrician's clamps, each 50 cm. Pay attention, the length joints must overlap and the clamps must be applied with a slight ease.